adults. And the second thing is that anyone can do this with enough dedication and perseverance. You don't have to be an engineer or a programmer.
This presentation will focus on, at our camp, our campers built, modified, and programmed a standard FTC pushbot with their own alterations, competed in a small-scale robot game for a sizable audience, contributed to the engineering notebook, gave presentations to judges, and learned about all the soft skills needed to be a successful team, all in the span of 5 days. This presentation will focus on how to structure and organize a camp, how to use this content for other formats such as weekend workshops and similar events, how to use all the free, useful planning documents, presentations, and resources available, and cool tips and suggestions on how to implement these effectively, so you don't need to take notes today.
Please note, the format of this camp is adaptable and scalable. You can adapt this content to put on shorter workshops, and it can be scaled up or down. You can also adapt this content spread all over the practices you have during the season. Create the camp that you need. If you want to do a camp, you should try to understand your audience. Depending on the number of kids you have, their skill level, and how much time you have to host a camp, you could have. For example, if you have some kids who are new to robotics, you could do a small canine robot or chassis-only camp that focuses on build, presentation, and notebook. Or, if you have some kids who just moved up from FLL, you could have a medium-sized, simple pushbot camp that also addresses strategy and programming. Or, if you have some kids who have been doing first since kindergarten, you could do a pushbot camp that does all of this, including marketing and team building. We have set up guides to run all 3 of these camps for you. It's not just for summer camp. We could easily take these resources and break it into chunks and host. Single-day workshops focus on one topic more in depth. STEM workshops focus on girls interested in STEM or other underrepresented